Hello everyone. Today I'm going to film my 38-inch FASCO World's Fair. I've actually had them for a few years, but because of the flywheel, it was broken, which is pretty commonplace with these things. And late last year I got a metal replacement flywheel from Rob Duffy, who is a member of I Heart Fans and Ceiling Fan Group on Facebook, so you can find him there, and he does sell them, and it works great, so no complaints there. Thanks, Rob. And I hung it here in my bedroom, and it's been here ever since. The light kit, single schoolhouse light with this crystal shade, 100-watt equivalent daylight LED in it. Got it hanging on a 1-foot down rod, and I put this control on there, but it makes it buzz, so I need to get a different one. But anyway, like I said, you know, the light works off the switch, and then this controls the fan, and I'll put it on high. You can hear it a little bit already. But once I turn the controller down, it'll really start to buzz. And it doesn't slow it down all that much, so it's really not worth it for me to have it here on this anyway. Last time I checked, the variable speed also works from up there, but being the fan is 9 feet off the floor, it's a little inconvenient to get that knob. I have no plans to change this out, though. This is not really that big of a bedroom. It's about 12 by 9, and this does quite a nice job in here. And we've got the window unit over there, so it circulates it quite well with the fan on. It's got a really good spin down time. Really thick blades that I need to clean badly. I'm terrible for cleaning fan blades. But anyway, nevertheless, that is it, and I hope you enjoyed.